Hi, and welcome to my Shift Up. Today we will go through a homemade skincare routine that you can do very easily at home and that is very cost efficient. As well, it's an amazing routine during autumn to keep your skin toned, to reduce your wrinkles, and to be always hydrated. So let's look at it together before we get on. This skincare routine consists in 3 steps. First a cleanser, then an exfoliant, and then an hydrating mask. For this, you will need few ingredients. First, you will need honey, hot water, yogurt, hot pumpkin, and a little bit of milk to clean your face in a natural way. For the pumpkin, you will need to prepare it a little bit in advance. You need to boil just a little piece of pumpkin, don't make it too much. And then once it's boiled, do a puree with it and put it in the fridge for a little bit. Should we get started?
So first add a big spoon of honey and add some warm water and mix it for a little bit. If you feel it is too liquid, add some honey, and if it's too sticky, then add some more water. To make your exfoliant, mix 1 tablespoon of oats and 1 teaspoon of honey and a dash of milk. Mix for a little while until the honey and the milk are well blended. Then for your pumpkin mask, mix 2 tablespoons of puree pumpkin with 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. And you are now ready for your routine.
First of all, get your hands very clean, obviously, and then we're gonna start with the honey cleanser. I usually put it on a cotton because it's easier actually to work with it rather than with your fingers. So I'll gently put it on a cotton. Don't need to put a lot of it. Probably prepared a lot more than what I need here. And then you're gonna gently come to put it on your face. So you're gonna see it's a little bit gluish, it's normal. I usually would do it with a t-shirt that I don't care about because it can actually kind of get you quite dirty. So you can go gently, you're gonna see it's a little bit sticky. And you can leave it here for a little bit before we're gonna clean it up with milk. So just wait. So after a few minutes, I used to leave it like 5, but you can leave it a bit longer or a bit less if you're under time pressure. But then I will just take some milk on another cotton because milk helps to clean up the honey, which is sticky. And then you just take it out. Now we are gonna do the exfoliant, so the hot exfoliant. For the hot exfoliant, don't be scared to actually get dirty. I do it with my fingers, and this is how you should do it as well, because then you can easily massage your face with it and exfoliate a lot better than if you use any tool or any cotton. So I'll just take a little bit. You're gonna see it's a bit sticky, so don't take too much of it. This is a funny game. Usually I end up putting this everywhere in my bathroom, so I can work above your sink if you don't want to feel like you're in a war zone just after. I will wash my hands and I'm just gonna leave it as well for a few minutes. And don't worry if you look a little bit stupid, that's fine, don't worry about it. But let a little bit the hot and the honey as well on your skin. It helps hydrate and it's great for this cold weather. So I'll see you in a few minutes. So finally I'm gonna take the exfoliant out. So again, I'm gonna take some milk on a cotton. just gonna take out slowly any pieces and the honey that I have. So I do put a lot of milk, you don't have to put that much, but I think like I do really like the smell it has, and it's really good to get your skin very smooth, and it's good as well to reduce the wrinkles, and it's natural and it's cheap. Here we go. So usually at this stage, before I'm going to do the mask, I'm just going to bath my face by a bit of cold water. I'll just refresh a little bit, but I'm going to wait for the milk to dry a little bit before doing that. So now we're going to move into the pumpkin mask, which is the part that I love the most. So far, like, you should feel like your face is very refreshed, it's very tonified, but now it's time as well to hydrate and relax your skin. So the pumpkin mask is amazing for this. I usually put it as well on a cotton because it gets really messy otherwise with your fingers. Do not put a lot, you can come back and pick up some more, but otherwise you're gonna see it gets really messy. So just on the cotton, and you apply it from the top to the bottom, and then you can make circles on your face on each side, which activates as well all your organs from a Chinese philosophy perspective. So you're gonna see it has a bit that cold feeling. It smells really good as well. It's just, we buy a lot of creams, they cost a lot of money, but actually like nature already gives us like most of what we need. So it's cheaper, it smells good, it feels good. There you go. You can as well do your neck, tonify a little bit the skin of the neck. And leave it there for at least 5 minutes. I think under 5 minutes you're not going to have all the benefits. So 5 minutes is great. I see you there. So I left it a lot more than 5 minutes because I love that sensation. I really feel like the work on my skin at this stage, and I have the tendency of leaving it a lot more than 5 minutes. But again, if it's your morning routine and you're in the rush, 5 minutes is great. Now I'm just gonna clean it again with milk. Milk is like a great cleaner, honestly. You can use like a pure rose water as well. It works really well. But to be honest, for me, at Solar Alegria, we're a little bit remote of everything, and fine milk is a lot easier. So, and a lot cheaper as well. So I like to use the milk as well. It leaves like a very nice smell on the skin. So again, not take too much, otherwise it gets messy. So you need a little bit of patience for this routine. As you can see, I did put it too much. But just take out gently. And then you just pass it by water, and you're gonna see this lasts all day, and it's brilliant during autumn. So a few tips. Please do not do this with a dress you're gonna go work today with. Just do it with clothes you don't care about. It's easy to get messy, but in order to get the less messy possible, just go slow, take small doses, use the cotton. There is just the hot exfoliant that you should do with your hands. But for the rest, like just a little bit on the cotton, you can go back and put some more, it's okay. Always try to wait a little bit between the moment you apply it and the moment you remove it. Usually few minutes when it's just the cleaning, but for the mask at the end with the pumpkin, 5 minutes. It's where you're gonna start finding really the benefits of this. Second, if you do not have milk, you can use hot water. Not too hot, obviously, just warm. And finally, if you do this every day, you're gonna really start your skin changing, and it's good for wrinkles, it's good for dryness, because in this season, in autumn, we tend to actually have the skin a little bit more dry. So I would say do it on a daily basis the best. I understand it takes a little bit of time and it's sometimes more convenient to apply a cream, but you know, it's just a few minutes and at the same time, you're really gonna feel happy about it. After you've done your routine, you can actually keep everything for a few days. The honey, you can keep it a lot longer, but keep your mask in the fridge and you can use it still up to 3 days. The hot and the honey, do not put it in the fridge, keep it outside. For the honey, you can keep it for a very long time. For the hot, it will depend if the grains become a little bit more soft. In that case, then you will have to redo your preparation. I hope you like this video and I hope that you feel like me. I felt like I have a baby skin today, which is amazing. If you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel by hitting the button subscribe just below. And otherwise, you can download our app, My Shift Up, which is available as an iOS app on your Apple Store. I hope you'll have a good day and please take care of yourself. Bye bye.